Hello everyone, short video where I will explain how to enable HoMM and PvP AI for the Heroes Olden Era. So first you go to your library, to the demo here, and navigate to local files. Here go to data folder, then streaming assets, and there's score zip. And you can open it with the standard Explorer in Windows. You go to database. Here you find file that's called quickstart.json. And here you can change things, how they work. So there are two things we can change now. We can change anything pretty much, but we are interested in these two. The first one is timer, and the second one is difficulties, which is AI. So starting from the difficulty, each entry here represents different difficulty when you select it or when you want to play the game. Like this one is the easiest one, this is normal, this is hard, and etc. So as you see, AI changes from 0 to 2. The PvP AI is number 3, so we can change all of them to 3. Yes, and the timer. So by default it's disabled. We can also enable it. We put 2 here. And then there are these entries here, which we also don't want to change. So standard thing, I would say it's 12 minutes start time and 6 minutes per turn and 2 minutes per fight. So start times 12 minutes. All entries here are in seconds, so 12 minutes is 720 seconds. This is how much you get per day. So we want to give ourselves 6 minutes, which is 360 seconds. Like, I'm not sure what these do. They kind of add more time each day and more time each week. I usually set them to 0. And there's also like extra time week, which is like at the start of the week you also get more time. I also put 0 here. This line, max accumulation times, means that how much time you can save at all. Right now it's 10 minutes. Maximum, as far as I know, is this amount, but it's whatever. Like, it just means that if you save, let's say, if it's 10 minutes and you save 8 minutes at the first day and like 6 minutes on the second day, you will still get only 10. So all of them will be, all extra will be wasted. Up to you. I prefer not to waste them at all. And then basically these settings is where you want them to be enabled. I only set them enabled. The PvE timer is for the combat. I only want this in the combat, and I set 2 minutes for each combat. After these 2 minutes run out, we take all your save for this day. So yes, this is basically it. I don't do PvP timers. There's no PvP anyway. So yeah, after you've done this, as you can see, this is not real file, it's temporary file. I use Visual Studio Code. It doesn't allow me to save, but I can override it still. So after you saved, it's not the real file that we saved. You need to reveal it in File Explorer. You see it's in some temporary folder. And what I usually do is I go back to where the original one was and just drag over here and say copy and replace. And after it's done, you can just double check. You see it's in another one. So everything is saved. We close this and then we launch the game. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it.